Hello everyone, my name is Praveen Varode. Branch is CSE AIML. Third semester. Subject name is Artificial Intelligence. Our today's topic is Natural Language Processing of Artificial Intelligence. In this topic, we discuss about some important points. First one is game playing techniques in AI, Artificial Intelligence. Minimax procedure. In this procedure used in two players zero-sum games, for example chess, tic-tac-toe, etc. One player tries to maximize the score, the other tries to minimize it. Artificial intelligence assumes the opponent always plays optimally. In these steps, generate the game tree, assign value to terminal states like win, loss, draw. Third one is propagate values upward. Max choose the maximum value and minimum choose the minimum value. Best move is selected at the root. The limitations of is very slow for large game trees. Now alpha beta tuning cutoffs and optimization of minimax reduces the numbers of nodes evaluated. Key terms of this: alpha best value maximum can guaranteed so far, beta best value minimum can guaranteed so far. Ideas of this: if a node cannot influence the final decision, it is pruned या फिर ignore. Advantages of faster than minimax, same result as minimax, allows deeper game search. Now, planning in an artificial intelligence. Planning is the process of deciding a sequence of actions to achieve a goal. Types of planning. First one is state space planning and strip planning. In state space planning, forward planning like from initial stage to goal. Backward planning from goal to initial state. Second, strips planning uses preconditions, actions, and effects. Goal stack planning uses a stack to manage goals and subgoals. Applications of this planning are robotics, automated scheduling, and game of artificial intelligence. Now discuss about block word problem in robotics. A classic artificial intelligence planning problem consists of blocks stacked on a table. Goal is to transform one arrangement into another using rules. The rules are: only one block can be moved at a time. A block must be clear, nothing on top. A block can be placed on another block or the table. The purpose of this planning: demonstrate. First one is planning, second one is state representation, and third one is action sequencing. Now, introduction to understanding artificial intelligence, like understanding, refers to the ability of artificial intelligence system to interpret meaning, not just symbols, includes language understanding, context recognition, knowledge representation. For example, understanding the difference between open the door and the door is open. Now, natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computer to understand, interpret, and generate human languages. The goals of natural language processing are language translation, speech recognition, text summarization, question answering. Now, component of NLP, that means components of natural language processing are: first one is lexical analysis. In this, breaking text into words like tokens. Second one is syntax analysis, grammar and sentence structure like parsing. Next one is semantic analysis. In this, meaning of words and sentences. Discourse integration, understanding context across sentences. Next one is analysis, understanding intent and real world meaning. Application of natural language processing in expert system. The expert system simulates decision making of a human expert. NLP helps by allowing natural language input output, interpreting user queries, explaining reasoning in human language. For example of natural language processing are medical diagnosis system, legal advisory system, and customer support chatbot. Thank you. Have a nice day.